Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Express Wars concept membership. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you, like, you need to provide at least 24-hour notice period before your next, you can like, billing date, monthly billing date. Okay, and no refunds will be given for mid-month cancellation. You need to keep this thing in your mind. Okay, and if we talk about like how to cancel, so basically there are 3 to 4 methods by which you can cancel your membership very easily. The first method is like you need to visit your nearest service center or wash club, and then you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your membership, and then they will ask you reason why you want to cancel, and you need to provide a valid reason, and they will cancel your membership. Okay, and the second method is like little bit easy, like you can contact with the customer support team, and customer support phone number is easily available on their official website. You can dial their phone number and you can tell them that you wish to cancel your membership, and they will cancel your membership, but ask a proof of cancellation in the written form. Okay, and if you forget to you can ask a written confirmation, then they may be charged on your account, and you have to pay some kind of fees if you don't have any proofs. Okay, or you can also write an email format. You can see over on your screen this kind of email format. You need to compose an email regarding the membership. In the email you can see there is a subscription, just replace this with the subscription to membership. Okay, and once you compose the email, you need to send the email at their email address. The email address is also available on their, you can say, like official website, or you can also use their chat support option. When you chat with their customer support, you can just simply copy paste this chat and this email, and then once they receive your request, they will cancel your membership. But don't forget to ask a proof of cancellation. Okay, so these are the methods by which you can cancel your Express Car Wash concept membership. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.